few problems here. We had one problem where our character wasn't firing tweets and the jump hadn't worked. So all I've done is move my jump point to make sure that when our character jumps, he hits it and he jumps. And then with the character, I just had a little line of code wrong, which I'll share with you. Basically, it said less than or equal to. So of course it wouldn't fire because it didn't have any ammo, so therefore it wouldn't fire. So I just changed ammo from less than to greater than 0. So as long as he's got more ammo than 0, he'll fire tweets. And we can test that right now. So press the space bar and my ammo's firing, but we're not going down yet. So and we've crashed as well. I've realized what it is. I had system wait 0.5 of a second, and it didn't give time for the animation to run, and so the game hung. So I've changed that to 1 second, and now when we have our character going by us, he destroys and it's fine, but the tweets aren't going down. That's another issue. So that's easy to debug, because when we go up here and find the player shooting where he is, where is it? I'll find it in a minute. Here we go. So if the ammo is greater than 0, but we're not actually taking any ammo off, so we need to do another system here. System, subtract from ammo, and then we can make sure at the top that we're hooked up. Yeah, so ammo, set text to tweets and ammo. That's good. So let's have a look. And you notice that as we play, the number goes down, we get to 0, and it overran slightly, but that's good enough for this level. And now when I jump, I'm going to have to pay it back anyway. So we don't have to actually show that number if we don't want to, but we can sort that out later on. We could actually stop at 0, but we're not going to do that now. So those two things have been fixed, and we're ready to go on. Now, if you look at the top of the page here, we've got global number next level equals 0. Okay, so what we can do here is we can hook that number to the number of bombs that we've got on the screen, and then when he gets the right number, captures the right number of bombs, then we can let him go to the next scene. And I thought the way to do that would be to materialize a portal here. So that's the last thing we're going to do in this. Let's go back to our main and see how we can do that. So every time he captures a bomb, we can add 1 to that number. So if we, on collision with the bomb, you see if he collides with the bomb at all, the number, he won't be able to move on to the next level. So we can make it hard or easy depending on what number we set as the target number in the next level. So we'll go down to our on space pressed. Yep, so bullet destroys, and then player on collision with bomb, we're adding. So here we are, we can do on collision with bomb, and what we can do is we can add 1, add 2, add 1 to next level, and now we can set a number for him to reach the next level, so he's able to go into the portal to the next level. So let's go to our level and have a quick look at the number of bombs I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, well, let's say if he gets 10 bombs, he can go to the next level. And we can actually go here and, let's do it at the bottom. So I'm going to add a comment. Next level. And we're going to say system, compare variable. Next level is equal to, well, let's make it easy, 10. Greater than or equal to 10. So okay, and what we'll do is we'll materialize a graphic on the stage. So I'm going to make sure I'm in the right area. Right click, insert a new object. And this is one I did earlier. I'll include this on so let's go and grab that graphic. And that is on my desktop in my game assets folder. And it's my little portal graphic. Lovely. I'm going to pop it here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it invisible. I just want to check its behaviors. If we have to add I don't remember if we can do an invisibility or not. No, I think we can safely set that to become visible. So it's initially invisible. Let's go to our main. So add action. Sprite at the moment, we'll rename it set visible. Okay, so that's it for this week. What we're going to do next week is we're going to add a splash screen and a winning screen instead of another level. And we're also going to spawn more zombies to make it harder to get through the game. All right, I'll see you all next week. Oh, better test it, eh? So I've got to hit 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there it is. Shouldn't have appeared now. Let's have a look again. And he's got stuck. Let's have a look at it again. Okay. Not there. Ooh. Okay, let's check that the visibility works. So we can see down here that it's not visible. Oh, and our zombies got hung up again. We need to sort that one out. Grab that bomb. Let's climb up. Oh yes, look, our portal is now visible. Cool. Actually, before I go, I just wanted to fix a few issues. So I've put a wall up here. I moved this around to enable jumping. I've made this bit invisible. I just wanted it to work properly before we went. So, and also found that I had inadvertently added one to the next level twice in here and not once, and that's why the the portal was only appearing after a certain period of time. I could add a graphic to that portal to make it glow, but we know how to do that now, so there's no need to do that. So let's just make sure we're working. My tweets are firing, my zombie's moving, he's jumping twice, turning round. There was this was visible, so I've changed that. So now we have everything working. So I can look up here and I can see the portal's not here. So we'll just keep destroying portals. Let's go down the tunnel. So notice he didn't want to climb. Now he can climb. There's my portal. I'm just going to tweak it so he can turn around and face the wall for next time. And so then he could go into the portal. And as soon as he touched the portal, we can have a flash of light and we can have our character flying away. Just one last thing. Just tweak the portal down a bit. Okay, good. We're very close to finishing this.